It is a sunny Saturday morning. Anna wakes up early. She is very excited. Today she will go to the park with her family. Anna loves the park. There are many things to do and see there. Anna quickly eats her breakfast. She has cereal with milk. Then she brushes her teeth and puts on her favorite yellow dress. Anna's mom and dad are ready too. They pack a big picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits and juice. Anna's little brother, Tom, also comes. He is only 3 years old. They all get into the car and drive to the park. The park is not far. It takes only 10 minutes to get there. When they arrive, Anna runs to the playground. There are swings, slides, and a climbing frame. Anna loves the swings the most. She swings high and laughs loudly. Tom plays in the sandbox. He likes to build sandcastles. Mom and Dad sit on a bench and watch them. They smile because their children are happy. After some time, Anna sees her friend, Lucy. Lucy is at the park with her dog, Max. Max is a big, friendly dog. Anna and Lucy play with Max. They throw a ball and Max runs to catch it. It is so much fun. At noon, the family sits under a big tree to have their picnic. They eat the sandwiches and fruits. The food tastes delicious. After eating, Anna feels sleepy. She lies down on the blanket and looks at the blue sky. There are many white clouds. Some clouds look like animals. Anna sees a cloud that looks like a bunny. In the afternoon, Anna's dad suggests a walk around the lake. The lake is beautiful. Ducks swim on the water. Anna and Tom feed the ducks with small pieces of bread. The ducks are very happy and quack loudly. Before they go home, Anna's mom buys ice cream for everyone. Anna chooses strawberry flavour, Tom chooses chocolate, and Mom and Dad choose vanilla. The ice cream is cold and sweet. Anna enjoys it very much. It is time to leave the park. Anna feels a little sad because she had so much fun, but she knows she will come back soon. On the way home, Anna thinks about all the good things she did today. She feels happy and tired. When they arrive home, Anna takes a bath and puts on her pajamas. She goes to bed early. As she falls asleep, she dreams about the park and her fun day.